Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Revolut account. First, you have to log into your Revolut account with your account credentials. Then you can find update your ID or verify your ID pop up on your home screen, or you can find out this message on your settings option, or you can get the verification process when you try to send or receive or try to complete any transaction through Revolut account. They will ask you for verify your account, your identity before any type of transaction that you want to made by Revolut. Then you just need to simply click on update your ID or verify your ID button. After that, you need to upload your valid document that are issued by your government according to your country. You can just upload your passport, your driving license, or you can also go with your NID card if NID card is available for your country in Revolut. You can also change your citizenship. You just need to click on that change your citizenship button right down of continue button. Then you can select your preferred country or the country that you have the valid documents of, and then simply click on continue. Then they will ask you to take photo of your valid document. You must take the photo of both sides of your valid document. You have to take the photo clearly and make sure the exposure is perfect to read the information on your document. If you choose passport, then you have to take the photo of the information page of your passport, and if you are choosing driver license or NID card, the national identity card, and for that you just need to click or take the photo of the both side of driving license or NID card. After that you will find the upload button. Simply click on upload and they will verify your document, and make sure the picture of your document is visible, perfectly visible to read, and then you can upload it and they will judge or verify your identity through the valid document. Then the next step is you have to take a selfie for verify yourself. You just need to face forward and make sure your eyes are clearly visible, and remove anything that covers your face like eyeglass or any type of cap that you wear. Remove all of this type of clothes that can be cover your face. Then you just need to click on take selfie. Make sure the exposure is perfect and your face is clearly visible that they can detect your face and eyes. After taking a perfect selfie, you can upload this too. Then after a successful verification, you will get an email from Revolut that your account is now verified. Also, you can get that notification in app or from website. That's how you can verify your Revolut account easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.